I'm sure you've heard it said before that your network is your net worth. Today, we're going to talk about why, as a producer, you really need to focus on being a connector. Come on, let's go talk. Understanding the importance of your network is paramount as a producer. And if there's one thing that I feel like I've done good over the course of my career, it's that I've focused on being a connector. I have taken great pride in being able to solve problems for peers, for company people, and even employees and team members in my own agency, because I typically know the person who can solve the problem they're facing if I don't have the solution myself. Think about this for a second. If you can introduce your client who is having a payroll problem to an outstanding payroll rep that is in your network, what have you just done? You've solved the problem for your client, which immediately gives you credibility and better standing with them, but you've also helped somebody make money because they sold a deal to somebody who was in need. By taking the time to connect those two, I didn't necessarily make money right then and there, but what I did do is I made a big deposit in the relational bank account that I have with my client and also with the person that I referred the business to. As you think about how to build your network, though, think big. The problem is that too many people who do what we do have a scarcity mindset. They want to keep everything close to the vest, and the problem is they can't grow that way. With an abundance mindset, you're willing to talk to peers who do the same thing that you do. You are able to talk to service providers who are servicing the same types of clients that you have. You're able to introduce your peers to carriers who may be able to solve their problem, or in some cases, wholesalers. And listen, even if it never comes back to mean money for you, you're going to sleep well at night knowing that you took the time out of your day to take a relationship that you've harvested and you've nurtured over the years and introduce that relationship into someone else's professional life. And that, I can tell you, is equally as satisfying as any dollar you're ever going to make.